My name is Joe DeVille, your favorite GTME. And today, I wanted to kind of show you guys how I approach the process of starting a new project, working with a new client, working with somebody, or like first time. What do I do when I have a project that I want to complete? How do I start it? Let's look at it. So, first, I just want to link you guys to the template that I made for repo structure for GitHub. So this is my repo structure that I made. It's just like having the folders assigned a certain way. So like ICP documentation, deal opportunities, data, call transcripts, contact persona data, templates, campaigns, compound learning, which is very important, testing hypothesis, segment knowledge, buying triggers, insights, market update, like just the whole 9 yards is in this repo structure. And what I do is I either create documents or I have the person that I'm working with send me over documents of most of the stuff. And then I sometimes have to find this information out by myself just through completing the project as things go along. So that's taken care of. So after I have this correct, then what I do is I go to Claude Code and I start in plan mode. And then I insert the project goals into the repository. And then I start inserting all the documents and it scans all of the repositories, it looks at all the documents, and then it looks at the goals and it breaks the goals down into steps. Now, I have a plugin on my Claude Code called GTM Coordinator that like has a whole bunch of skills attached to it. So for this task, it's like they want context of VC firms. So like that's what I'm doing. Is like they couldn't find other people, or they found some people and it wasn't populated to their clay table. So it's my job to fill it in and show you guys kind of what I did so far. So this is the like kind of the contacted. This is the table that they gave. It had the name, didn't have the website. It had fund, contact, part of the email. That's about it. And like these, but this isn't really too much for me. That's fine. All right. So I seen this and I was like, I hate like scattered messy tables. So first thing I always do when I get a CSV is I normalize everything. I don't, a lot of times like things don't populate or doesn't find things because maybe the naming convention's wrong or the spelling isn't right or the capitalization isn't right, whatever. So I go and I normalize all of these things. Then I do the find domains for Clearbit, which is free on Play. It's just a free domain enrichment. And it has about a 60 to 70% like success rate. And then once I do that, then I layer that with a pledge, and that usually like covers the 20, 30% that I missed. So after I do that, now they've had a contact already, but I was assigned a job, so I'm going to do my own contact. Now, what I usually would do is just go to like 5 contacts at this company. But what I did was just make a Claygen. Like I said, I tell you guys, Claygen is probably like 100 times better than the 5 people function in Clay. So that's something I think is good to know. So this is the prompt I gave it, and it uses just the data I had already. And I like everything in JSON, and it gave me 3 contacts for each. I only need 1 really, but so I just wanted to have backup in case some of them didn't have none. And when you know, some didn't have some. So good thing I did run more than 1 contact. And then from there is enrichment time. So now I have contacts, backup contacts, and now it's time to run emails and so forth. And that's like this first project almost already completed. So yeah, I want to show you guys something quick like that. I'm going to show you guys kind of like my Claude Code, like plugins that I use. Hopefully it might prove useful, but let's get into more project stuff.